Fafnir Bloodbroder served as a packmaster of the Space Wolves Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Commanding the pack of Sesk, Fafnir would lead his men as a respected and uncompromising packmaster. With the betrayal of the War Master during the civil war of the Horus Heresy, Malkador the Sigillite would, with sanction from Leman Russ, Primarch of the Sixth Legion, dispatch several packs of the Space Wolves to observe his brother Primarchs for signs of treachery. Assigned to witness the Lord of Ultramar, Fafnir and his men would arrive on the Ultramarines' homeworld of Macragge during the expanse of the Ruinstorm across the stars. Meeting with Roboute Guilliman during his formation of the contingent empire, Imperium Secundus, Fafnir would make his objective clear.
You are welcome to my hall, Fafnir Bloodbroder. What intrigues me is that everyone else sought a safe haven. From the flight data of your vessel, I see that Macragge was your intended destination.
It was. We rode out the storm to get here,
said Biter Herrick.
We have a duty here,
added Bo Soren.
A duty?
Echoed Guilliman.
Bo Soren has a big mouth,
growled Fafnir.
Necessary, for he has a great many teeth to fit into it,
said Guilliman.
What is your duty, pack leader?
Our duty is what our duty has always been. To do what others will not. To do the unthinkable. If the unthinkable must be brought.
Your reputation as the Sanction is well known,
said Guilliman.
And perhaps undeserved. We all serve according to our courage.
We'll serve beyond that. We are the Executioner's sons.
Who have you come to execute, Fafnir Bloodbroder?
Fafnir hesitated. He reached under his pelt and produced a sheaf of parchment.
I see no point in hiding it, he said,
holding the document out.
Read for yourself, Jarl Guilliman.
No, tell me in your own words.
Fafnir kept the parchment extended.
Look at it at least. See the seal of the Wolf King, and beside it, the sigil of Malkador. Know where this instruction comes from, and the authority it contains.
Guilliman took the document, unfolded it, and studied the marks.
Authenticate it, if you must,
said Fafnir.
I don't have to. This is real.
You heard the fate that befell Prospero,
asked the pack leader.
The wolves were unleashed to issue sanction to Magnus.
Yes, not so undeserved a reputation after all, huh?
Go on.
Fafnir paused. In the eye slots of his straight and knotted leather hood, his golden eyes blinked once, twice.
If one can fall, more can fall. More have fallen. It has been decreed that a company of the wolves be sent to the half-side of every one of the Emperor's sons to watch them.
For what?
asked Guilliman.
For signs of treachery, of heresy.
And if such signs become visible?
Then we are to act.
Act?
asked Guilliman.
You're saying that you are here to watch me, to shadow me, and if you perceive my actions to be in any way untoward, what? You are authorized to enact sanction?
By the Sigillite, so authorized.
Guilliman laughed.
You would cut my thread?
If needs be. Primarchs are not invincible. Some already sleep upon the red snow.
Guilliman raised his hand, indicating that his bodyguards should back down. The cataphracti had cycled up their weapons at Fafnir's last response.
Fafnir Bloodbroder,
said Guilliman.
Do you really think that your pack can take me down?
Fafnir shrugged.
Perhaps not. You are Jarl Guilliman, and your prowess is the stuff of saga. But we have our duty, and we would try. If you were, say, without your bodyguards, and cornered in a room with us.
My dear Fafnir, then you would be cornered in a room with me.
Fafnir shrugged.
We are the Executioner's sons, Jarl. Even if you took us all, I doubt you'd leave the room whole.
Once more challenging a Primarch of the Imperium, with the arrival of the Lion of Caliban to Macragge, Fafnir would partake and yield in a short-lived honor duel against the Lord of the First in the name of his legion. Skulking Roboute Guilliman's every action during their time on Macragge, Broodbroda and his men would stand ever vigil to strike at the Lord of Ultramar should he betray the ideals of the Imperium. Yet with the escape of the Night Haunter, Konrad Curze upon Macragge, the Wolves of Fenris would remain at the hearth of Guilliman's empire. During his killing spree across the capital of the 500 Worlds, Curze would clash with the Primarchs of the 1st and 13th Legions, and for their attempts to capture him, seek a worthy kill to stoke their rage. Infiltrating the residence of the august Chamberlain Principal, Tarasha Uten, her bodyguard Purcell of the Praesental Guard, would be slain by the Night Haunter. Cornered by the degenerate Primarch, Uten's life would be saved with the intervention of Fafnir Broodbroda. Selling their lives dearly to protect the mother of Roboute Guilliman, the Pack of Sesk would attack the Night Haunter as Fafnir stood guard beside Tarasha. Malma Longreach, Salek the Braided, Nido Knifeson, Biter Herrick, Kuro Jorvuk, Mads Lawson, Gudson Ulfreya, Bo Soren, and Shokai Finn would all be bested in their battle against Curze. Fafnir would be grievously wounded defending Uten, yet survive his encounter with the Night Haunter, with the timely intervention of the Primarch of the Salamander's Legion, Vulcan. Recovering from his wounds, Fafnir would resume his duty to observe the Primarchs of the Imperium Secundus for signs of treachery. His deeds thereafter, now lost to history.